Starting vlog now. We're not playing. Ow! No! Oh, Tito, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, no, no. Do you shake it? Hi, how's it going? Come on in.
Your house is beautiful.
I'm here today with McKenna Golden.
We're going to LA.
We're gonna try to go to LA. We're gonna FaceTime my friend Aria. Let's hope he answers.
Because Chino wants to know.
No. So he ended it? He declined.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm coming back to LA.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You got no fucking time.
As soon as you guys fly me out.
And not for the clout, for sure.
Not for the clout, but
Clout on Facebook. Friend me. I could have like 12,000 friends.
oh, that's a lot.
Because like, literally, what is your life? Like how, like I just don't.
Here we are, you guys. We're here in beautiful LA. Heard that beat again. That was like a legendary beat.
Man, that shit was tough.
You want some ass LA? Okay.
Don't nudge, but all your they follow.
It looks really good.
Talk.
I think I'm really good, and I just want to hear what you guys think.
Wait,
Play this song. Play this song.
Go.
Me, you gonna suck and you spanking.
Whoa, wait.
Is that the baby was here?
Oh my god, I'm so uncoordinated. I can't do anything. Wait. Oh, I still got it.
I forgot to wear it.
It won't change.
Excited, a little nervous. Oh my god.
I'm gonna get like the order of the person that's behind.
Yeah, pay for the person behind you.
No, I mean that's nice. We're trying to like switch the trend up.
I don't know what they want if they're behind. Are you talking about the person behind you or the person in front of you?
A question, what did the people behind us get?
A spinach feta wrap and a cold brew.
Oh, okay, I didn't really want that.
They seem like spinach feta wrap people.
I'm rolling in the bankroll. I'm coming to Cali to visit you.
I hit palm room first to get a little bit tipsy, and then I go to mall right afterwards just for the half off beers, the dollar chugs, you know, $1 vodka.